So after networking events, we're at a conference right now. I love to just throw away all the cards after I put them in my CRM. But this is Debbie Hoffman, and she is all about follow-up, and she has a different theory. So Debbie, what do you do with those cards?
Well, I am a visual person, so once I enter the cards in my CRM and I take all the notes and I schedule my reminders, I make the call, and if I don't reach them, I'll schedule a reminder. Then what I do is I have an envelope from each event that I've been to. So when I'm at the event, I'm putting the cards into the envelope, and I take these envelopes and I put them like in a shoebox, and they're in chronological order. And so when I want to remember someone, I want to see their picture, I want to see their photo. So I pick out their card and I go, oh, that was the person. So I personally keep them, but you can fit like dozens and dozens of them in a shoebox. So yeah. I've got a few shoeboxes and I have them in order. So just the other day I wanted to find somebody. I went in, it's like, oh, that's who they are. I remember them now, and I called them. So it's easy to have them.
Wonderful. Yeah, I've been really excited since I got a CRM. I started throwing them away. Before that, I just put them in the shoebox. So that wasn't so good, and there were no envelopes used. So great follow-up tip. Thank you, Debbie.
You are so welcome.
You can connect with her down in the comment or down below in the description. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.